Welcome to another episode of Air Traffic Out of Control, the podcast bringing you the best, most interesting, and most unbelievable air traffic control recordings, right from the tower to your ears. I'm your host, Amy Tango Charlie. In this episode, Skywest Flight 4055, bound for Chicago, experiences an engine flameout and declares an emergency. The tower quickly suggests that the aircraft divert to nearby Grand Rapids, Michigan for an emergency landing.
And Chicago Skywest 4055, we had a rain engine flameout declaring an emergency. We're going to level up to 270.
Skywest 4055, roger. Maintain level 270. You need to return back to Detroit.
Stand by. We're going to run through a few checklists here. Hold on.
Skywest 4055, would you like to start down? Skywest 4055, Grand Rapids is at your 3 o'clock in about 20 miles if you'd like to land there.
Stand by. We're just going to run through another checklist here and we're back with you. Hold on.
Skywest 4055, descend at your discretion, maintain level 200.
Discretion at 200, Skywest 4055.
And Skywest 4055, do you have any intentions yet?
Yes. Why don't you kind of work us around to Grand Rapids, and we're just finishing up a checklist here. If you can give us initial vectors, that'd be great.
Skywest 4055, clear to the Grand Rapids Airport via radar vectors, flight heading 310.
Okay, heading 310, Grand Rapids via radar vectors, Skywest 4055.
And Skywest 4055, you just need to gather some information. What's the nature of your emergency? And still remaining, do you need emergency equipment, and how many souls on board?
All right, stand by that information. I just got a couple things to work out. I'll be back with you. Heading again for 4055.
Skywest 4055, go ahead.
And heading is 310.
310, affirmative.
94.
And Skywest 4055, descend and maintain 11,000. Grand Rapids altimeter 299 and 4. Skywest 4055, contact Chicago Center 133.2.
133.2, Skywest 4055.
And Great Lakes approach Skywest 4055, 11.5 for 5,000, heading 360.
Skywest 4055, Great Lakes approach, advise ready for an eastbound turn, reference your altitude, expect visual runway 17 at Grand Rapids.
And 26 left is not available?
Correct, 26 left is closed, barricaded.
All right, we'll expect 17 and we are ready for the turn whenever you're ready.
Southwest 4055, turn right heading 090.
090, Skywest 4055.
Skywest 4055, descend to maintain 3,000.
So maintain 3,000, Skywest 4055.
Skywest 4055, Grand Rapids Airport, 10 o'clock, 18 miles. I'm sorry, 2 o'clock, 18 miles.
All right, we've got it in sight. We've got to run through a couple of checklists here, Brady.
Skywest 4055, roger, advise ready for visual approach turn.
Hold on.
Skywest 4055, advise ready for a turn inbound.
And just one moment, Skywest 4055.
Skywest 4055, turn right heading 180, traffic 10 miles southeast, your position northwestbound, altitude case 3,200.
Right, turn to 180, Skywest 4055.
Skywest 4055, descend and maintain 3,000, that traffic's now behind you, westbound, no factor, and let me know when you're ready for the turn.
We're ready for the descent, Skywest 4055, down to 3,000.
Skywest 4055, I'm sorry, did you say you were ready?
We're ready, Skywest 4055.
Skywest 4055, cleared visual approach, runway 17, contact on Rapids Tower, 135.65.
Good visual approach 17, Skywest 4055. Grand Rapids Tower, Skywest 4055, inbound, visual approach 17.
Skywest 4055, Grand Rapids Tower, Grand Rapids altimeter 299.4, wind 260 at 6, runway 17, clear to land.
Clear to land 17, Skywest 4055.
Ladder 1, Grand Rapids Tower, next arrival is the emergency aircraft, 5-mile file, Series A9, descending out of 2,300. Skywest 4055, do you require any assistance?
4055, we're going to see if we can taxi back on the one end here, but we'll give it a shot.
Skywest 4055, roger, turn right at pilot's discretion, then contact ground 121.8.
Skywest 4055, off of Delta, there'll be a right turn on Mike into the ramp. I don't see anybody down there for the moment. Do you have obstacles here you need it from me?
No,
Delta Mike, and what is it altitude? Got it.
I knew you were going to say that. Stand by 1.
And Skywest 4055, you got it.
Okay, show 130.325.
3055.
Just verify 30325.
3055.
Thanks a lot. And you're finding other systems from us?
I think we're good.
You bet. Have a good rest of your day.
Thanks, hope it gets easier.
Yeah, no kidding.
That's all for this episode of Air Traffic Out of Control. If you love the show, check out the show notes for a link to follow us on Twitter. Also, to make sure you don't miss an episode, be sure to follow or subscribe in your podcast player. Thanks for joining us on board today. Bye-bye.